To decode this Brinks combination padlock, you have to find a flat side. A flat side is not going to be round like the round side. Keep on scrolling, and next thing you know, you see this flat side. Let's move on to the second wheel. Keep on rotating the wheel until we find a flat side. Unlike a round side, the flat side is flat. They're not the same, that's why. I added these arrows for educational purposes. On the third wheel, we're just going to keep on doing the same thing all over again. And almost there. There's only 10 digits here, and it seems like it's 8. And the last one is on a flat side, as it is. Let's add 5 to each digit till it becomes 7. And 9 plus 5, it's going to be 14. I'm going to use the last digit, so that would be 4. And it becomes 13, or 3. And 0 turns to 5. 7, 4, 3, 5 is the right combination.